Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dragon Ball sparking zero error code 379BA70D. The error reads, "Connection to opponent lost." As per our research, this error comes when players try to play online matches. Many players have reported getting disconnected from online games after just a minute or even less. Users also shared that this issue became worse after the last patch, which led to more connection issues, input delays, and bugs. According to our research, this is likely a network-related error. But in some cases, game settings or mods may also contribute to the problem. The first thing you should try is restarting your device and checking if the game needs an update. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then try connecting over a different network. It can be a mobile hotspot or alternate Wi-Fi. If switching the network fixes the issue, then on your main network, try changing your DNS to Google's DNS. You can also try flushing the DNS or deleting the engine config folder files under the game directory. If the error still comes, then try capping the game to 30 FPS. Some users shared that reducing the FPS helped them fix the issue, so give this a try. If you still see the error and you are using mods, then try playing without the mods and see if this helps. At last, if nothing works, then wait for some time and try again. This could be a temporary network-related issue. If the error continues for too long, then we recommend contacting the game support to report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.